everyone, welcome back to the Mad Yogi channel. This is your Mad Yogi Eileen. Now bringing you a two-parter again, just like our Janu Sirsasana, our head to knee pose. But this one is what I lovingly call my my Luna flow. So we have a full moon flow, which consists of 5 repetitions for the lunar flow itself, and also a half moon flow, which has its own video. Now, for this full moon flow, or my full lunar flow, please listen out to the instructions. We're going to have 5 repetitions. The first one will be a little bit slow, so that we get to know what's happening. The second one is the full flow, meaning to say with the knees down in cat and extended child's pose poses during the flow. The third one will be the floating version. So when we are in the cat position and the extended child's pose position, the knees will be hovering off the mat, just lifted off the mat just slightly, not very high at all. And the 4th and 5th repetition, you will hear me say either knees down or floating, or knees down or knees up. That means your knees can be down on the mat in the cat and extended child's pose, or floating, just hovering up a little bit. Now, even though we do have 5 repetitions, and this is part of the Espresso Yoga Flow series, this won't take long at all, yeah? And I will timestamp when we come to the top of the mat. But if this is the first time you're doing this flow, or you want to be reminded of what's going to happen, please take the time to listen to that introduction. All right, timestamp now. Let's come to the top of your mat. Feet 1 hip width distance, roll your shoulders, deep full breath here. Either your circular breathing or your ujjayi breath, yeah? From here, knees bend, backs of the hands together, wave your arms up, upward facing hands, squeeze the upper back, allow your arms to drift towards the line of your ears for a little bit. Then push your hips forward, just a shallow back bend to start off with. Just a shallow one. Your nose is still pointing forward, no drop back of the head yet. From here, squeeze the front muscles of the body. Pectorals, abdominals, iliopsoas muscles, even your quads to lift up. Hands together, forearms together, candle arms. From here, bend the knees, bend the hips, sink the spine down. Then come down, wave the belly down on your thighs and coming into what I call my small letter T. Breathing here, forearms still zipped, your arms are still in candle. You can also think of this as a folded chair, yeah? Release your hands down on the mat, keep your belly on your thighs, keep the knees bent. In a lunar, in a Chandra, Uttarasana, lunar forward fold. Breathe here. It has its own challenges because of this compression of the belly against the thighs. Breathing here. From here, push yourself up halfway. Half lift. Keep the knees still bent. Keep the belly still on the thighs. Exhale, forward fold. From here, carry your legs. Don't drag your legs on the mat. Carry your legs. Curl them up as you step back to plank, looking forward. Knees down, knee plank. From here, push back into a downward facing cat. Then push back into extended child's pose. With your toes still tucked under, your arms are pressing forward and down strongly into your hands. Push your hips up. Puppy pose. Puppy pose first. Then when you're ready, heels down, knees straight, downward facing dog. Spinal wave, belly up, chest up, head up, exhale down. And a few more spinal waves. I forgot to mention the knee plank in that introduction. So the knees are part of that knees up or down cue later. From here, heels up, knees and elbows bend. Curl your legs as you step all the way up to the top of the mat. I say all the way, but always keep space for your hands. Bend the knees once again, and we are back into a Chandrautanasana, a lunar forward fold. A forward fold with your knees greatly bent, belly on your thighs. Push yourself up halfway. Half lift. From your half lift, come back to your forward fold. Bend your knees even more. Backs of the hands together. So hips down, head pushes up, and push yourself up. Upward facing hands. Hips push forward. Shallow or maybe a little deeper with your back bend. You can add your drop back of the head here now if you want. Plus, one more thing. Your arms are parallel, or you're welcome to open them in an oblation back bend. Squeeze back up. Candle arms. Sink down. Belly rolls down on your thighs. Lunar forward fold. Chandrautanasana. Lifting up halfway. Ardha Uttanasana with your legs and belly still the same. Exhale down, step back. Plank, knees down, knee plank. Notice this is not a cat yet, this is a knee plank. Push back, downward facing cat. Push back, extended child's pose. Let's do this with a count. Push up in 5, 4, 3 is puppy pose. 2 is heels down, and 1 is knees straight in downward facing dog. Spinal wave here. Breathing. Heels up, knees and elbows bend. Once again, carry your legs. Don't drag your legs. Your feet, carry them. Coming back into Chandrautanasana. Lifting up halfway. Forward fold, transition up, hips down, head up, backs of the hands together, push yourself up. Upward facing hands. From here, shallow or deep back bend, parallel or open arms. Lift up, candle arms, sink down, belly rolls on your thighs, Chandrautanasana, lunar forward fold. Inhale, lifting up halfway. Forward fold, step back. Just carry your legs, step back. Full plank. Now the floating versions. Knees bend. Bring them down, but not all the way down. Keep them floating. So a floating knee plank. Push back to a floating cat. Push back to a floating extended child's pose, or a really, really low puppy pose, and push up. Puppy pose, downward facing dog. Spinal wave. Breathing. Heels up, knees and elbows bend. Curl your legs up as you step. Forward fold. Chandrautanasana, lunar forward fold. Lifting up halfway. Notice the belly still on your thighs. Forward fold. Transition up. Upward facing hands. Now this last 2 reps. Choose your pose. You'll hear me cue your pose. Shallow or deep back bend. Open or parallel arms. Lift. Candle arms. Sink down. Belly on your thighs. Forward fold. Half lift. Forward fold. Step back. Full plank. Knees down or hovering, knee plank. Knees down or hovering, downward facing cat. Knees down or hovering, extended child's pose. Push up, puppy pose. Downward facing dog. Spinal wave. Breathing. Heels up, knees and elbows bend. Carry your legs as you step up. Forward fold. Half lift, as we've been doing, belly still on your thighs. Forward fold. Transition up. Upward facing hands. Last one, choose your options. Shallow or deep back bend, parallel or open arms. Squeeze back up. Candle arms. Sink. Forward fold, Chandrautanasana. Lunar forward fold. Lunar half lift. Back down. Step back. Plank. Knee plank, knees down or hovering. Push back, downward facing cat, knees down or hovering. Push back, extended child's pose, knees down or hovering. Lift up, puppy pose or downward facing dog. Spinal wave. Deep, full breath. Heels up, knees and elbows bend. Curl your legs to step all the way up. Forward fold. Let's come down on the mat. And you have a few choices here. Sit down in Siddhasana with me or lie down in Shavasana if you want to. Roll your shoulders. If you're in Shavasana, do your soft window wipes with the legs. And then sit or lie down in stillness for a moment. Doesn't have to be very long, but if you do want it long, up to you. And then when you're ready, flutter your eyes open, lift up from your Shavasana as we do in our classes, and either get on with the rest of the day or start winding the day down. And I will see you in the next class of this, which is the half moon flows. Bye!